Suresh and Ramesh were good friends. One day, their teacher gave each of them a seed and said, "This will stay with you for 3 months. Take good care of it and let's see who grows the best plant." Suresh was very enthusiastic and planted the seed the very same day. He watered it daily and ensured it received proper sunlight. But Ramesh kept postponing, thinking, "I'll plant it tomorrow." Days passed, and he completely forgot about it. After 3 months, Suresh proudly brought a healthy, grown plant. Ramesh, however, stood empty-handed, regretting that he had forgotten to plant his seed. The teacher smiled and said, "This is just like our life. Time is precious. Those who use it wisely will see success, but those who waste it will face regret." Hearing this, Suresh recalled a Bible verse from Ephesians 5:15-17. "Be very careful, then, how you live, not as unwise but as wise, making the most of every opportunity because the days are evil. Therefore, do not be foolish but understand what the Lord's will is." From that day on, Ramesh decided never to waste time again. Time is like a seed. If we plant it carefully, it grows into a fruitful tree. But if we neglect it, it yields nothing. In our lives, we should never procrastinate. Whenever we get an opportunity, we must act immediately. Ramesh delayed, thinking, "I'll do it later," but in the end, he lost his chance. Likewise, we should not postpone things like education, work, or spiritual growth. Suresh watered and nurtured his plant daily. Similarly, if we work consistently with discipline, we will surely see success. Do not waste time. It never comes back. Just as Ramesh forgot about his seed, if we fail to use our time wisely, all that remains is regret and disappointment. Make the most of every opportunity. Time is a precious gift from God. If we seek God's will daily and avoid meaningless distractions, focusing on purposeful actions, we will see great fruit in our lives. May God bless you abundantly. Amen.